Okay, after the A's and then the B's finish this extended work, they land flat in motorcycle. Everybody's going to hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Because of the phrasing and the music, that is just 4 counts, and the next series is a 12 count. So if you hold 1, 2, 3, 4, the A's will come up to right shoulder on 1, hold 2, 3, 4. The B's will hold 1, 2, come up to right shoulder on 3, and hold 4. So we have hold, 2, 3, 4, A's, 2, B's, 4. At that point, everybody goes into bolos, big circle, little circle, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure this hand goes to your leg. 9, 10, 11. You're not going to go up on 12. You're just going to come to right slam and flip your right hand over. So that whole set was 1, 2, 3, 4. A's, 2. B's, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From here, you're basically going to repeat that 12, but we're going to extend it out to a 16. So the A's will come up, 1, 2. The B's will come up, 3, 4. Now we're going to do 2 full sets of bolos, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The counts on this are a little awkward, but we're going to start a double butterfly on 13, 14 is up, 15 is down in front, 16 is up in front. 16, you keep moving into 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4, you finish that double butterfly in right shoulder, but your left hand slides down and turns over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set it right there. Your right hand comes off. The pole is going to rotate down. 5, 6, it will be up. Nice L arm here. 7, it comes down behind you. 8 is up behind you. 9, you turn your upper body to the left and catch it at the tab so that it's flat on your left hip. Let me show you that series again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From here, you're going to rotate the flag in the horizontal plane. It's going to stay flat, parallel to the ground. 10, the top stopper starts moving forward. This is your checkpoint for 11. This is where you need to be. You don't stop here, but this is where you need to be. 12 is motion. 13, you need to be right here and grab the back tape. So if we've landed here on 9, your left hand is really weird. Your arm's kind of bent up. 10, 11, 12, 13. And you grab the flag with your left hand on 13. On 14, that's a count for motion. Since we're changing directions, you kind of get a count to make all that happen. So on 14, your right hand starts lifting up so that it's up behind you. On 15, I like to keep it against my arm. I feel like that helps me steady the flag. 16 is down in front. And on 1, you will release in a toss. That's hard to do without any momentum. So let me show you that. Here's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3. You want to catch it right here on 3. More height than rotation on this toss. Make sure you release right here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3. You can see how I flip my wrist, but really make sure you let go here. If you catch it too soon, you probably haven't extended your left arm all the way. Try an air flag a few times without the pole. You go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. And really watch the motion of this arm. You release that on 1. You catch in your right hand on 3 at the tab, as vertical as you can get it. 4, you're pulling the flag down. 5, you hold this top stopper right here. From 5 to 16, we're going to hold it here. I'm guessing maybe you'll be marching here, just listening to your music, but this will just be a straight, maybe mark time if you're not marching. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. On 17, you're going to begin to strip the flag and pull it into cradle. You get 4 counts for that. So you were release on 1, catch on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And just put this into cradle. For the body work that's coming up next, you're going to need no color from this silk and it nice and away from you. You've just pulled the flag down into cradle. This is where we go to the section of the music where it's depicting different parts of the city with drums in between. The first part is kind of what I call the Chinese part. This is a little bit more body inspired and programmatic. It's supposed to depict the character of the music. That means that you can't think it's silly and you've got to sell it and you've got to really present it with your body. So for the Chinese part, we're going to step out with our left foot as we bring our arm around. 1, 2, 3. And your knee should be bent. Your arm should be in an L with your hand in a blade. And on 3, you look at your hand. Pause. This is 3. You're looking at your hand. You're going to hold 4, still looking at your hand. Again, nice knee bend here. Make sure you keep that. On 5, your arm is going to snap down. Make sure that you still have an L pointing at the ground. This is parallel to the ground. And on 5, you look to the audience or look to the judges. You're going to hold 6 and then go back to where you started on 7, 8. So when we put that together, it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to slowly move your arm and move your foot. Make sure you're starting with your feet turned out. Your left foot is going to slowly step, kind of drag your toe back into 4th position. This is 4th position if you can't see it. My right heel is even with my left toe, but my feet are spaced apart. So I was here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We want to give the effect of bowing, but we have to hold our flag. So you want your head, you want a very submissive posture. You want your head dipped. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold 13, 14, 15, 16. And again, you want to make sure you have a good, strong 4th position so you're not wobbling here. You want to crouch by bending your knees. Think of taking your belly button and pulling it down closer to this knee. You don't want to just round your shoulders. Very sloppy posture from the press box. So be tall, bend your knees, fold at the waist, and then dip your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold 13, 14, 15, 16. After that, you're going to snap up to a left present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ahead and release the silk. This is the drum part, and your feet will probably be moving during here. So after you hold your bow, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn your right hand over because you're going to rotate the flag down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm in a right slam. Both my thumbs are up. I'm at the tab and the tape. So we hit here and released our silk on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going into the Italian part of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to step out with our right foot and bring our left foot over while we do a sweep. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's like a small carve just on the bottom. So it's important that your right hand moves, but also your left hand works too. Watch my left hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do the same thing in the other direction. Go out and around with your flag. 9, 10, 11, 12. So coming out of the Chinese part, we were here 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm cheating and fixing my right hand just a little bit so I can make this cleaner while I hold. 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, right slam. 1, 2, 3, sweep. 5, 6, 7 to the left. 9, 10, 11, 12. Coming out of this last carve, you want to use that momentum to release the flag. I call this a pull-apart toss because what your arms do is this motion. They just come away from each other. They don't move up and down with the flag. They just come away from each other. It's not a large toss at all. You do 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's all it is. 11, 12, 13, you release. 15, you're going to catch right here. 16, you're going to set it right slam. So let me show you that from the beginning of the Chinese part again. You were here. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. When you end in right slam, you're going to hold here for 8 counts. Again, this is the percussion part. Your feet will probably be moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do rowboats, but these are going to seem slow compared to some of the other things you've done. The velocity is a little different. Step out to the left. 1, 2 needs to be straight. 3 is moving. 4 is right here. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is moving. 6, 7, 8. You held and marked time. Then you went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Carve on top. 9, 10, 11, 12. Keep your flag at this angle and walk around to the right. Lead with your left foot. 13, 14, 15. On 16, pop up to a right present. So you were in a right slam. The rowboats were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now carves. 9, 10, 11. Walk right. 13, 14, 15, 16. You ended in right slam and mark timed 8 here. Then we go into the blowing in the wind part, and we are going to literally blow in the wind. You need to step out with your left foot. You need to make sure that your feet get into this, like a little dance almost, and shift your weight. Your flag is going to move 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, you're going to go to a left slam, but your arms are going to be wrapped up like they are in a car. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you do the whole thing again. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that series is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. From here, you're going to do a barrel roll to the right. Step over with your left foot. 9, 10, 11, 12. Those are just the checkpoints for the flag. You don't stop there, but you do need to make sure you hit every one of those because that'll help keep you in the toaster. So you're here on 16. I said the wrong counts. I said 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm sorry. This is 17, 18, 19, 20. Then you're going to walk around to the right. As you do that, you need to flip your right hand over on the tab to get ready for what comes next. 21, 22, 23, 24. Let me show you that whole series in succession. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Then it goes back into the repeat of the previous work that starts with Blue Devils. And you can back the video up and watch that again if you need to. Also refer to the type out sheet, and it should have words enough to remind you of that work.